I said it is my duty to tell the nation what's happening. But it is also my duty that if I commit wrong, I should apologize. That is the way to go in this world. So I am again, for the third time and the last time, I am offering my apology to Governor Espino, si Season, kasi hindi talaga clear. But, yung baraan na yon, Undersecretary, kasama yon doon sa matrix. Kasama yon, sigurado ako. Yung kapatid niyang si Baraan pababa, this guy was already dismissed from government service. Why? Because convicted na siya for smuggling of our metallic black sand. Si Espino, it has nothing to do with drugs, but he's also facing a charge in the Sandigan, same, smuggling of black sand. Metallic yan eh. Pero kung may kaso pa, wala na. Pero yung sa drugs, hindi ko talaga makita yung linya. And as a lawyer, when you make public a certain wrong against a person, you'd have effectively destroyed his reputation. So kaya, fair is fair. Wala naman akong kung nagkamali ako. Marami akong pagkakamali sa buhay.
So, sir,
I will not pretend that I am perfect. I have so many faults in life.